Hey guys, this is Mohammed from Team VENTUS, and today I will be taking you through our team's smart drone delivery concept and mobility solution. This video will cover the idea, its benefits, and all the risks associated with it. Our idea is a response to the ever-increasing traffic congestion issues due to the communal goods transporting vehicles. Our team spent countless hours developing an innovative smart drone delivery system, which would be a cleaner, more efficient, and more reliable substitute to the current goods transferring vehicles. The main objectives of the project are to deliver an autonomous, safe, and cost-efficient system, which should also be reliable and sustainable. The concept will deliver many benefits. Some major benefits are increasing customer satisfaction levels, reducing the general overheads, faster delivery, and most importantly, less traffic. From a corporate's perspective, implementing the concept means less lead times, less accidents, more profit, and less harm to the environment. The team took on all major components of implementing the system, which includes its hardware, software, delivery, testing, and project planning. Like any project, this project will be accompanied with its relative risks. Some major risks include cybersecurity, accidents, hardware or software failure, and public unappeal. The list goes on, but the team dedicated its time to identify the risks and come up with relative mitigation plans. This concludes the video for our concept of smart drones, for a cleaner, faster, and more efficient way to transport our everyday goods.